So today is a day of telling you about the dangers of playing with the divine. So far, people have been taking them for granted. They have tortured people like Christ. They have tortured great saints. All the time, human beings have been torturing. And I've been warning in every lecture practically that don't try that trick today, because Kalaki is already on. And don't try to trouble anybody who is a saintly person, who is a good person. Be careful about it, because Kalaki is on. And once this power comes on you, you would not know how to hide yourself. Not only those who are Sahajogis, but this I am telling to the whole world today, that be careful. Do not try to harm others. Do not try to take advantage of others. And do not try to show off your own power. Because once this destruction will start in your life, you won't know how to stop it. If you do not have awe for God, if you are not afraid of God, if you are not afraid that if you do wrong, He is there with His wrath, and that He is a wrathful God, and that He is full of poison for us if we try to do anything wrong, if there is no fear of that. Not that it is to be hidden from me or from anybody else, but not you yourself know that you are doing wrong. If you are doing something wrong and you know in your hearts of hearts that I am doing something wrong, please don't do it. Otherwise your Kalki will go out. When you have that awe for God and you know that God is all pervading, He is all powerful, He has power to raise us to this state of higher being, and also He has power to bestow all the blessings that He has. He is the most compassionate God, or we can say the most compassionate Father that one can think of. But in the same way, He has a wrath. And that wrath, when it falls upon you, be very, very careful. As a mother, I have to warn, be careful about the wrath of your father. Because if he comes on you with that wrath, nobody can stop it. Nobody can stop it, and the compassion of mother also will not be listened to, because he may say that you have spoiled your children by giving them too much loose. So I have to tell you that please don't do anything that is wrong, and do not make me feel bad about it, because for a mother it is very difficult to tell these things. It's very hard for a mother who has a tender heart and a kind heart for you to say all these things. But I have to request you that don't play about, because your father is full of wrath and he can punish you if you do anything wrong. But if you do anything for him or for your own being, for in your self-realization, you will be placed in the highest position. Today you may be the biggest millionaire, you may be the richest man, you may be the greatest political leader, you may be the prime minister and all that nonsense. In the presence of God, those who are dear to God will be placed at the highest position, and not all these worldly things which look so interesting and enchanting to you. The most important thing, where are you as far as God is concerned? That relation you must establish by first finding out yourself, your Atma, through Sahaja Yoga, and then relating yourself to that. May God bless you all.